In this video, we will learn about dot product. So what is dot product? The dot product of two vectors a and b represented by vector a dot vector b is a scalar which is equal to the magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b into cosine of a smaller angle between them. So dot product is a scalar quantity and this is represented like this, and read as vector a dot vector b and is equal to magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b into cosine of smaller angle between them. So this is how dot product of two vectors is defined. Now let us discuss this in detail. Now let's discuss geometrical interpretation of dot product of two vectors. So let's say this is vector a and this is vector b and this is angle theta between them. Then what is b cos theta? B cos theta is projection of vector b in the direction of vector a, that is this quantity. So this quantity is b cos theta. So vector a dot vector b is equal to magnitude of vector a into b cos theta, which is the projection of vector b in the direction of vector a. Now we can also have obtained it like this is vector b and this is vector a, and vector a dot vector b is equal to magnitude of b into a cos theta, that is magnitude of vector b into the projection of vector a in the direction of vector b. So geometrical interpretation of dot product of two vectors. So dot product of two vectors can also be defined as the product of the magnitude of one vector and the magnitude of the component of other vector in the direction of first vector. Now when two vectors are parallel, then angle between them is 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos 0 is equal to n is equal to 1. So dot product between two vectors between which angle is 0 is equal to AB cos 0 AB cos 0 is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B, and when the angle between them is 90, then cos 90 is equal to 0, and then dot product will be AB cos 90, which is equal to 0, and when angle is 180, then cos 1, then cos 180 is minus 1. So AB equal to AB cos 180 is equal to minus AB. Here theta is smaller angle between vector A and B. Now dot product in Cartesian coordinates. So vector A is ax I plus ay j and az k, and vector B is bxi plus byj plus bzk. Then vector a dot vector b is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. This is an important result, and you can memorize this to find out the dot product in Cartesian coordinates. And if you ask that how we obtain this, then it is simply because I into I is equal to 1, j into j is equal to 1, and k into k is equal to 1, and product between any two ij or jk all are 0, since x, y and z axes are mutually perpendicular to each other, and angle between them is 90, and cos 90 is always 0. So that's why when we will multiply, the ax by ij will be 0, ax bz I into k will be 0, and ax bx I into I will be 1. Similarly, ay bx j into I will be 0, ay by j into j will be 1, and ay bz j into k will be 0. So that's how we obtain this result.